this video guide, you will learn how to choose the best suitable WordPress theme for you, since there are thousands of free and premium WordPress themes out there, helping you to make a better choice to find your perfect theme. It includes what you should consider when selecting one and which are my 5 WordPress themes for business purposes. Without any further ado, let's dive in. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Natalie. If this is your first time watching my videos, this is a channel dedicated to help WordPress business owners to become even more successful. Kindly consider liking this video and to subscribe if this adds value to you so we can all learn together. A theme controls the overall design and layout of your site. There are thousands of themes out there for WordPress users to choose from. Most of these themes make your WordPress website look stunning. However, what are your criteria when choosing a WordPress theme in order to select the perfect theme for you? By following these guidelines will help you streamline your choices, making it easier to find your best WordPress theme solution. Ask yourself, do I need a theme that's focusing on e-commerce, or that's better suited for blogging instead? On the WordPress theme directory, you have access to over 10,000 free themes. One simple step you can take is to use the WordPress feature filter option to access a list of terms to filter your theme search by terms. It's super easy to customize your search. For instance, if you'd like to have a translation ready theme with a flexible header, you select it from the checkboxes. All you have to do next is to click on the Apply filter in order to find and choose, and helping you to determine a suitable set of themes that meet your requirements. To edit your selection, choose the Edit link. Then you can add or change your themes or use the clear button to erase the filter. If you know a theme by its name, you can use the search field. For instance, I search for Astra and there it is. This option helps you find the theme you are looking for. At this point, you certainly have an idea if you want your site to have one column or multiple columns. A grid is a web page layout arranged in columns and rows. You can search by popular, latest, and blog themes. If you select a blog theme with a full site editing, in order to build out your custom theme, just select that option. Full site editing feature has been introduced with WordPress 5.9, meaning that all aspects of a site like colors, typography, layout of every single page on the site can be customized to fit your needs. By the way, if this full site editing feature interests you, I have an Udemy online course for you. At the moment, it costs you just $10. So just check my YouTube thumbnail link if you want to learn more. I like these Ocknuts by Anders Norris because of the simple design layout with bright colors and plenty of empty space between elements. My number 2 guideline is to consider your audience. Are you targeting a specific age group? Are you trying to target a more casual audience? What are your business plans? Are you up to a professional audience? If you're targeting the last category, you might choose to pick a more formal, clean, and minimalist theme outside the WordPress theme directory. The top features of quality business WordPress themes include built-in performance optimization, a large range of customization options, professional support, easy to use and set up. Pick a theme that supports most plugins. WordPress plugins help to unlock a website potential with additional features for both users and website owners. Always look for a WordPress theme that supports popular plugins like WooCommerce, Google Analytics, and so many more, especially those you use the most. Look out for a WordPress responsive theme. With the increasing number of people accessing the web on mobile devices, it's crucial to choose a responsive theme, meaning it looks good on all devices, desktop, tablet, and smartphones. Being responsive ensures that your website is easy to navigate, no matter what device they are using. That way, mobile shoppers are now greeted with a poorly adjusted e-commerce homepage when they click through. Another great tip is to pick a theme with clean code. Your website is made of codes. If they are poorly written, it can affect your website security, speed, and resources. You can test the theme by installing this free WordPress plugin to make sure it's up to the spec with the latest theme review standards. My number 6 tip is to choose a theme with good ratings. Before purchasing a theme, be sure to check the user ratings and reviews. Don't just check on the theme's official website, instead check the ratings and reviews on third-party websites and social media too. You should avoid themes with mostly poor reviews. My number 7 guideline is to choose a theme that loads quickly. Many users will leave your website if it takes more than 3 seconds to load. Page speed is crucial for SEO purposes. I know it's tempting to go for a reasonably priced theme with lots of features like custom widgets or Google Fonts. However, if you don't plan to use these functions, then they are just slowing down your website. So, pick a fast, lightweight, and customizable WordPress theme with only the features you need and intend to use. You can use Google Search Console website to find out how fast your website is and check if it's slowing down after you install the specific theme. My number 8 tip is to select a theme that's updated regularly. Regular themes updates are crucial for security and bug fixes. Developers use updates to provide the latest security patches, to fix bugs, and to address compatibility issues as well as to clean old code. So check this carefully. And the last one is to consider choosing a theme with a page builder plugin. A page builder is a WordPress plugin that makes it easier to create your website layout through drag and drop features. You can quickly choose from pre-made layout options and then drag and drop the elements to place them wherever you want. But page builders do have a few issues like generating a lot of code, bloating a website, and necessary. When you use a page builder to create a website and then switch themes, the layouts and the content will require multiple edits. So choose wisely a theme that has a popular page builder plugin built in, or install a separate page builder plugin that works across most themes. As a bonus, now I want to point out to you my best WordPress multipurpose themes. The list is arranged in no particular order. Let's go deeper and look into each of them. Number 1. Astra. Astra is a powerful WordPress theme with retina-ready pre-made page templates to suit different business purposes. It is a lightweight theme and loads fast, making it an excellent option for you. It supports most popular WordPress plugins and drag and drop page builders such as Elementor. Number 2 is Kadence. Kadence is a multi-purpose WordPress theme that lets you create lightning fast websites in minutes. You can utilize their templates for brands, influencers, small business owners, and e-commerce and agencies. It also integrates with major plugins including Elementor WooCommerce. Number 3 is the Hello theme by Elementor, which is 100% tailored to Elementor. Currently, it has 1 million of active installations. It's a translation-ready theme, ultra lightweight, responsive theme providing an excellent fast website loading speed. Number 4, GeneratePress. This is a great WordPress theme. Whether you are a freelancer, a startup, or agency, this is a great choice to take into account. It's fast, lightweight, and accessible. The free version is focused on speed and performance, which are essential factors. Number 5 is blocksy. Blocksy is another amazing option. Blocksy has an ultra performance core. It's packed with dozens of cool features. It is e-commerce ready, Gutenberg ready, and fully responsive. It works with Gutenberg WordPress editor, Elementor, Breezy, and Beaver Builder. Check out their free demos templates. So here are my 9 tips when it comes to choosing a WordPress theme for you. I know it's an important decision you have to make and have a significant impact on the overall look and functionality of your site. Find a WordPress theme that meets your specific requirements, helping you to achieve your goals. Best of luck! If you need help or guidance, you can send me an email. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe, share, or comment if you like. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section below. Have a nice day wherever you are. See you soon. Wishing a happy new year with great achievements. Bye.